Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the updated way to set a sound specifically for direct message notifications on the X app. If you want to know exactly how to make sure your direct messages have their own unique notification sound, follow these simple steps. It only takes a minute, and you'll never miss a message again. First, start by opening your phone's main Settings app. This is where all your device controls live. Once you're in Settings, look for the option labeled Apps. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find the X app. It might still be called Twitter or X depending on your phone's updates, but look for the familiar X logo or name. Tap on the X app to get into its app-specific settings. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize how and when you get alerts from the app. From here, find and tap on Notification Categories. This section breaks down different types of alerts you can control inside the app. Look for the category labeled Direct Messages and select it. This is the key spot where you can customize the notifications that come just for your direct messages on X. Now, tap on Sound. This will bring up a list of available notification sounds on your phone. Choose the one you want for your direct message alerts. Once you pick a sound, it's automatically saved. And that's it. Your direct messages will now play the sound you picked, making it easy to know when someone's messaging you without even looking at your phone. This method works great on most modern Android devices and keeps your notifications organized and personalized. So remember, Settings, Apps, X app, Notifications, Notification Categories, Direct Messages, and finally, pick your sound. Follow these steps, and you'll stay connected with the right alerts exactly how you want them. Thanks for watching.